Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. In this edition of today's newspaper on a Wednesday, it's the Wednesday, August the 23rd, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku, and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number 6973. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Okay, between the O's comes an 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 ones we have here in the last column, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 O's we have here in the second row, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Finish in 2 minutes. Well, we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.